How to fix cursor jumping in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if you're having problem with your cursor in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, navigate to a search icon, and in the search bar you have to type in main.cpl. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to your mouse properties. Here under mouse properties, navigate to this menu bar at the top and head towards pointer options tab. Under pointer options, at the first section there is a motion and there is an option as enhance pointer precision. If you have checked on that option, uncheck the option, and here click on apply and then click on OK. After you do that, your problem will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.